Join Global Training Center in Atlanta for an in-person trade compliance seminar that puts you ahead of the regulations, not behind them. You'll walk away with the practical knowledge to navigate complex international trade rules, reduce risk, and run a more efficient operation. Led by trade expert Trudy Wilson, known for her sharp insight and unstoppable energy, our seminars will cover topics such as international logistics, importing procedures, tariff classification, and USMCA. All seminars are accredited and earn continuing education credits, including LCB credits. This seminar connects you face-to-face with other professionals in your field. Every attendee leaves with a certificate of completion and a free reference book, tools you'll use long after the seminar ends. It all happens at the Embassy Suites Atlanta Midtown. Seats are limited. Compliance can't wait. Register now at globaltrainingcenter.com/Atlanta.